Good morning, guys. Welcome to Rakesh Raja Trading System. Once again, I am ready with my weekly outlook of market for the next week. हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे ग्लोबल मार्केट की, हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे इंडियन मार्केट की, हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे कुछ स्टॉक्स की जहां आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सकती है अगले वीक में ट्रेड करने के लिए। तो शुरुआत करते हैं हम लोग ग्लोबल मार्केट से। हम लोग देखते हैं कि ग्लोबल मार्केट में क्या हुआ है। तो सबसे पहले डाउ जोन्स देखते हैं क्या कर रहा है डाउ जोन्स। और डाउ जोन्स हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ट्रेडिंग एट इट्स ऑल टाइम हाई, सो इट्स नियर ऑल टाइम हाई, so it's in a strong uptrend, whereas Nasdaq also trading at uh, near high only, not exactly, but okay, yeah, we can say we are still Nasdaq is still trading at all time high. So in US we can say market is in strong uptrend. What is happening at UK, that's FTSE, FTSE, and FTSE also is again trading at all time high. DAX is a German market, and so DAX also trading at all near all time high. So guys, basically what I want to tell you that global market in very strong uptrend move, and your oil that we say Brent that affects our economy, that is also trading almost above 66, which is a quite strong. Dollar, INR dollar, so it's a USD, sorry, USD INR, USD INR, and USD INR also now in uptrend. So this is the bad for us. We can say again this is trading at near support. This is the support for INR, and it's a trading near support, and it's in uptrend for a few days. So this is the basically creating issue with us. It shows that there is a something wrong with our market, our currency. So let's see what is going on. So this is the dollar which is trading at our support. Let's see what's happened in next week, whether it again corrects or it goes up. So what we have seen, the global market is very strong, oil is going up, dollar rupees is weak, and dollar is strong. So how this is going to affect our market, and what is going on in our market? So let's check Nifty. Nifty is basically in a very much in a sideways move. It's a trading in a very small range for many days, and again this range which is a 14,800. This is basically daily chart. What we see, we are lower level for us is 11 the 14,000, now we can say 150, and higher level on weekly basis is the basically 14,600. So 600, 14,000, in fact, yeah, 500. So this level that actually we are trading for many days, and this is actually creating base over there. I don't know if this is going to be broken this week, or it may take support from here. So how to trade in Nifty? So let's just see on hourly basis. In hourly basis, this range is very important, 14,520 and 14,270. Okay, so sorry, 14,150. So this is the level, and we are exactly in the middle of that level. So one can trade for long side with this support, immediate support as a stop loss. So one can, if market goes up or start trading above 14,360, above 14,360, one can go long with the stop loss of 4,270. So it is almost 90 point stop loss if someone trades in a long side. If market starts trading lower side below 12,000, below 14,260, then one can wait, because we don't see much downside at present. Downside will start before 4,150. These are all spot prices, so I'm not giving I'm not talking about the future prices. So this will be the target if we trade longer side, and this will be, for me, this will be no trade zone, and one can short below 14,150 for the target. Then target will be little bigger, that target will be around 14,000 and 13,800. So this is, I just want to mark my next level will be, in fact, 14,600, 13,600. So if it start trading below 14,150, one can short, and for the target 13,600 with the same stop loss of 14,270. This is a way that you can trade next week in the Nifty. Bank Nifty, what is happening in Bank Nifty? If we see, Bank Nifty is showing some range, but now we are, every week we are creating a new range lower side. Only the last week we maintained the same range of previous week. So this is the condition, that exact levels we replicate of the previous week. So this is the Bank Nifty. What I will suggest, if we start trading below the close of the Friday, this is, or if start trading below the close of the, it is 31,500, one can short for the target of 30,000. So this is a range of 500 points, and stop loss one can maintain of 32,130. If market starts moving upside, so for me this 31,150 to 32,400, this will be basically no trade zone for me. One can trade above 32,400, or let me actually manage. Okay, so this will be my range for the week. One can go long about 32,300 for 350 for the target of 3,300. So we have a good opportunity to trade around 800 points. So one can trade above 32,350 for the target of 33,180 or 150 for safer side, and one can short below 31,500, 500, 32 500, sorry, 31,500. One can trade below 31,500 for the target of 30,500. So it is almost 1,000 point here also, and stop loss will be little bigger, but then there is no option, or one can manage this also as a stop loss if you want to pick or stay, if you want to go with little risk. So one, so final figures will be like that: short below 31,500 for the target 3,500, stop loss will be 31,740 for low risk people, and 32,100 for high risk people. So if someone go, if market start trading upside, buy about 32,350 for the target of 33,180. So it is around 800 points, and the stop loss for this will be 32,150 or 30, I will say 32,150 will be stop loss. So this is the way that you can trade in Bank Nifty. Now let's talk about the few stocks that I have find out for you. There you can go long. The see, first thing, the sector that is performing very well is the sugar. So I have three stocks from the sugar sector, that is Awadh, Awadh Sugar. One can buy above close of Friday, and stop loss will be on hourly basis. So this will be stop loss if you are this will be stop loss for me. 229 is a entry, then 210 will be my stop loss for this. And yes, definitely target is, as we see, the target maybe around 243 will be the first target. 243 will be the first immediate target. Once you reach the your first target, bring your stop loss to your buying price, and then keep holding till 281 and 311. So these are the levels for you to trade in Awadh Sugar. My next stock is from same sugar sector is Magadh Sugar. Uh, this is it's creating new high, and looking into the momentum, and looking into the momentum in sugar sector, we see it will break this long term resistance and may test the new high. But for me, at present, my first target will be 138 and 145, with a stop loss of 123. Entry will be 130. So this is the immediate my target. However, once it breaks 145, then we can see target of 165 also. So Let's hope we will achieve some bigger targets in this stock also. Again, next one is Dhanuka, the Dhanuka Agritech. If we see in Dhanuka, it's again breaking this level. This is a yesterday's candle, which is basically if we enter tomorrow's sorry, if you enter high, yesterday's close, not high. You have to enter at yesterday's close, which is 767.90, or we can say 770, and target will be immediate target will be 795, and immediate target will be 796 and 828. Stop loss one can keep below the yesterday's low, as this is we see uh, spinning top over here. तो हम लोग ये देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ हो सकता है, और इसके बाद में हम लोग देखेंगे कि न्यू हाई इट में touch 901 as well. So final target will be 900 for this. Our next stock will be Rain Industries. If we see this Rain Industries perfectly following this trend line. Now it's creating everyday new higher highs and higher lows, and now at it's on almost ready to break out from this level to go to the next level. We see this is the so for me yesterday's close will be the my entry. This will be my entry. For immediate target will be 230, and I will manage my stop loss near 153 or 150. Yes, stop loss is little bigger, but my target for this stock is also very high, because we know the Rain industry, which is in involved into the carbon manufacturing, which is a hot cake now. Carbon, which is useful in as a raw material in steel or metal industries, as well as battery manufacturing, and we know anything related to battery is now is a hot cake. So this is my immediate target. We see in very few days, but I'm expecting the target will be at least 350 in next 6 months. So I request you to be there in this trade, and uh, this may be a multi-bagger for you, and may touch its previous high of 475 in 1 or 1.5 year. So don't try to exit from this trade with small profit. Be there for longer and bigger profit. नेक्स्ट वन हम लोग जो देखेंगे वो है फार्मा सेक्टर से सुवेन. We know actually pharma sector is doing well, particularly now small companies are doing better than large cap. So Suven Life Sciences is creating new higher lows and higher highs. I would suggest to buy here. See, actually, we see this is a gap down, and now like that. But to be very frank, this is not in a gap down kind of thing. This is a split in the business, and that's why prices came down almost 10 times, because business has been split, and the accordingly the price of Suven. So actually the price what 103 we see, if we consider this split as a, if we consider this split, this price basically trading at all time high. So again I am expecting from here, once the new high, and it will continue to go up once it breaks this level. So actually it is tomorrow, we can say, this level I will suggest to buy here. Above this, stop loss will be 80. So stop loss is little bigger, but then yes, I'm expecting one big move from 150 around 120, 120 to 175 from here. So I would suggest be there, and this is a long term bet. This could be another multi bagger considering the uh, pharma sector, which is in much more in demand. And now this is the sector, this is the stock which basically not perform in last few days, and now it is ready to move ahead with momentum. So target might be 175. Considering my stop loss, I will actually expect 170, 175 from here. Okay, so entry will be around 109. Stop loss you can keep around 80, and target will be 175. This is my basically assumptions for at least next 3 to 6 months, not immediate. Next one is TV18. TV18 इसको हम लोग देखते हैं। TV18 ने काफी दिनों का एक ये ब्रेक, TV18 काफी दिनों के बाद एक अच्छा मूवमेंट दिया है, और वापस वो ये लेवल को ब्रेक करने के लिए रेडी है। तो इस बार हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि अभी फिलहाल हम लोग यहीं बाय कर सकते हैं, ये लेवल पे भी हम लोग बाय कर सकते हैं। ओके, और ये लेवल हमारी बाइंग लेवल रहेगी। आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इमीडिएट target of 36, that is also but once it crosses 36 we will see immediate 41, and once it crosses 41 there is a upside up to 52, 58. So at least one can trade for these levels 41, 52 and 58. Stop loss one can keep around 30, around 31. So trade with the stop loss of 31, 31 or 31, 50 will also okay. Yes, this is the right stop loss 31, 38. Target will be, immediate target will be 36, 41, 52 and 58 for PV18. Then it's the alkyl amine. We know chemical sector also doing very well, and alkyl amine is trading at all-time high, and it has shown fantastic movement in last 1 year since the pandemic. After pandemic, it actually, even before pandemic, it is doing very well. It corrected little bit considering the other one, but since then it is continuously going up. So this is again the very strong stock, and I am expecting the similar movement will be continue from here also. So one can buy at this level for very long term. So entry will be 6276, stop loss will be 5602. So stop loss is little bigger, around of 600 point, but that's okay because we are not trading this for the smaller gain. We are expecting much bigger trading gain from here. We may see, considering the momentum into the stock, we may see soon 9,000 also. So one can buy here for positional trade, long term trade, around 6 to 1 year for the target of 9,000. Again, there is a Aztec. Aztec Life Sciences. This is a small company from pharma sector that we can see here. It's basically created base over here, and now it's ready for further movement from here. If it breaks this one, we may immediately see the target, this and this. So entry will be around 1122 for the target 1188 and 1330. Stop loss one can keep around 1051 or 1050. So first time it will be 1:1 ratio, but once it starts moving up, we may see soon it is going to 1330 level, and from there also we may see further upside. So one can trade with the these levels for longer side. Those who want to trade for short term, in so I have some stocks for them also. There is a stock called Naukri. Info Edge. So Info Edge, basically for those who want to trade, and not for, this is, yeah, this is good for investment also, but at present I'm just looking for the trade purpose. So one can enter these levels with the stop loss of this, and for the target of, so these are the short term trade. If anyone want to go for this, it looks very good. Also almost 1:2 risk reward ratio also available. So this is a Naukri for short term trade. Then there is a Petronet. Petronet This is also shown fantastic recovery from lower level, and now it's ready to move further. So one can enter here. Stop loss could be, we can consider this as an immediate breakout level. So we can keep this as a stop loss. So entry will be around 236, stop loss will be around 231, and target is 260. So it looks in a very good risk reward ratio from here. So I would go for this with a very small stop loss. This is for trading purpose. If anyone want to trade in future, they can also trade here. आज का मेरा आखिरी ट्रेड होगा शॉर्ट साइड में. जो लोग ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं शॉर्ट साइड में, उनके लिए ये ट्रेड है. ये महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा, जिसको मैं शॉर्ट करने की सलाह दूंगा. ये लेवल्स इसके रहेंगे 777 पे आप शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं 807 के स्टॉप लॉस के साथ में. हम लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि ये कंटिन्यूस एक डाउन ट्रेड चैनल में ट्रेड कर रहा है और ये वापस से अपने इस ट्रेंड लाइन के पास में आ सकता है. तो इसके लिए टारगेट मेरा होगा 701 और 807 के स्टॉप लॉस के साथ में. तो जो फ्यूचर में ट्रेड करना चाहता है, प्राइस ये मेरी स्पॉट की प्राइसेस हैं, आप अकॉर्डिंगली ट्रेड कर सकते हैं फ्यूचर में. तो ये मेरे लिए, ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग करना चाहते हैं शॉर्ट साइड में, कंसिडरिंग द मार्केट कंडीशन. अब बात कर दूंगा मैं कि काफ़ी लोगों का ये कंफ्यूजन है कि हम लोग एक्चुअली क्या कर रहे हैं, हमारे लिए मार्केट में कौन सा ट्रेंड बन रहा है, नहीं बन रहा है, और काफ़ी लोगों में एक डर भी है. तो दोस्तों देखिए, जब तक के कोरोना के जो आंकड़े हम लोग आ रहे हैं, अगर उनमें जब तक सुधार नहीं होता है, जब तक वहाँ कोई अच्छी खबर नहीं आती है, हमारे ऊपर की ओर बढ़ने के चांसेस बहुत कम है. शायद हम लोग नीचे नहीं गिर रहे हैं. इसकी एक वजह यह है कि क्योंकि ग्लोबल मार्केट्स बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं और इसी को लेके हम लोग नीचे नहीं गिर रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर हम लोग के नंबर इसी तरह से बढ़ते रहे तो हम लोग नीचे की ओर भी बढ़ेंगे. अगर हम लोग ने 14,000 का लेवल तोड़ दिया तो 13,600 और 13,000 के लेवल्स भी हम लोग देखेंगे. लेकिन जब तक 14,000 के ऊपर है, आपको डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मार्केट 14,000 15,000 के बीच में घूमता रहेगा. 15,000 के ऊपर निकलेंगे तो हम लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग फिर एग्रेसिवली बाय करना शुरू करेंगे, क्योंकि ग्लोबल मार्केट बहुत अच्छा है, तो हम लोग के गिरने के चांसेस भी कम है. देखते हैं आगे कैसा होता है. फिलहाल आपसे ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग ज़्यादा एग्रेसिवली ट्रेड ना करें और मार्केट की कंडीशन को देखते हुए सेफ रहें और लिमिटेड ट्रेड करें. मैंने जो लेवल्स दिए हैं उन लेवल्स को फॉलो कीजिए. स्टॉप लॉस फॉलो करके आप उनमें लॉन्ग में भी ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, वहाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर मार्केट गिरता भी है तो आपको सिर्फ अपना स्टॉप लॉस को ध्यान रखना है और अकॉर्डिंगली आपको ट्रेड करना है. मैं यहाँ डिस्क्लोज करना चाहता हूँ कि मैं किसी भी सेबी या किसी भी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूट से सर्टिफाइड एडवाइज़र नहीं हूँ. मैं जो भी बता रहा हूँ ये अपना मेरा स्टडी है, मेरा अपना स्टडी, और मैंने स्टडी पर्पस के लिए बताया है. जो लोग ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं वो अपने रिस्क पे करें और या फिर अपने फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र से सलाह लेके करें. गुड बाय, हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग, थैंक यू.